So 1 ball, 2 strikes, the count. Hansen into the motion. Strike 3, strikes out the side. The rally goes by the board. At the end of 1, no score. The press box here. Foul ball. Now the third base umpire makes the call. Hansen picks it up and tags the runner coming in as she was moving away from first, and the threat goes by the board after 2, no score. The count's 2-2 here. Strike 3, and a 1-2-3 inning for Hansen. She gets out, strikeout number 5, and we go to the 4th. Blocking the ball. And we got the runner on third there. We'll see if we're going to, number 3 batter looking to probably swing away here. Right back at the pitcher. Double play, lined right back to the pitcher, and my God, that was real quick. 1 pitch.